Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to navigate your 3D space with a mouse rotation. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we go back to the tutorial here. Now this is the last video on 3D navigation in the sense of controls. I'll try add one or two practicals at the back or after this, just so you guys can actually put it to practice. Now today we're going to be looking at the mouse rotation. Like I mentioned, we've already looked at rotating your 3D space with your widget. Your widget here on the right, and also the rotate function on top here. Now, in my personal opinion, the widget rotation is my favorite. But if you're going to be working with your mouse, then it's good to keep them all relevant to the mouse, I would say. Now, the mouse rotation is very similar to using the rotate widget, the rotate function here. So the controls are going to be pretty similar. Or should I say the way you control it. So what you want to do is like we've just covered, so with shift you can, and your middle mouse button, if you hold it in, you can zoom in and out. With control you pan, and now so control and middle mouse button, should I say, if you keep them both in you pan, and then if you just keep middle mouse button in by itself you will rotate. Now this is very similar to most other softwares. So if you want to get competent or using 3D space in softwares, perhaps some other CNC machines also have some nice previews, then this is a good function to get used to. Now, like I mentioned, my favorite is still this one, because you can easily click here, rotate around, and you have a cube as a reference, so it's easy to understand where you are in space. But this one does work the same as, like I said, this one, so you can simply go in the corners if you want to rotate, then rotate up and down, left and right, and so forth. But yeah, that is it on the rotation with the mouse. Like I said, it is similar to this one, the actual function. And yeah, now you have covered the shift and middle mouse button, control middle mouse button, and normal middle mouse button. So those are the three essentials or fundamentals for using and navigating 3D space. So it's pan, rotate, and zoom. But yeah, otherwise, before we head to the practicals, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.